Today I am sewing Christmas cushion covers. Aren't they beautiful and so easy to do? You can definitely make these too. Here's my festive look. Please take a moment and just like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. It helps me a lot. So here's my original cushion cover, and I have a 12-inch zipper. Now, if you have a 15-inch, that is going to be better. But I don't want to spend money on this project. I'm using what I already have. So here's my green zipper that will coordinate with my Christmas fabric. This fabric I got from someone else. So again, I didn't spend any money on this project. I had to cut it down a bit, but I also wanted to leave plenty of room for seam allowance. So whenever you're cutting your pattern, you can base it on the cushion cover, but don't forget, there's that hidden seam allowance. All right, so I have 4 pieces, and I have put them wrong side to wrong side, so I can really see how this is going to work. And after I cut it down, I measured it again with the original. Looks like I have plenty of room. Okay. Now I am going to attach the zipper to two of the 2 pieces for the pillowcase. This is going to make attaching the zipper very easy before I sew anything else. So I take the fabric, and with edges folded towards the wrong side, I'm going to press down and attach the zipper to this piece that I have folded. This is a really fast project. At the same time, I went ahead and, of course, pressed all of the fabric nice and neatly. But I'm not going to waste your time and show that on camera. But that is the time to do it, is when you're also preparing it. Okay, so here's my zipper. I'm going to pin it to this folded over piece with the zipper part facing the same way as the right side of the fabric, because the zipper obviously it needs to be on the outside. All right, so I'm going to start with the open zipper, pinning it to one side of this fabric. And this is a close-up shot of the pins, so you can see how I like to pin it across. All right, now it's stitched all down. I, of course, used a zipper foot. Now I'm going to go ahead and prepare the other side exactly the same way. I pressed and then attached it with pins. Now it is all sewn together, and I went ahead and zipped it up. Yay, we're almost done. Okay, with right sides together, I'm going to line up the edges so I can stitch all the way around. Here are my pins. They're a little hard to see with the white fabric. Let's take it over to the machine. All right, I just sewed all the way around, all the way up to the zipper. Easy enough. Time to flip it through. This was a little tricky because my zipper was closed. I recommend keeping it partially open at least when you're stitching all the way around. Okay, here it is. It's all finished and ready to be filled with the pillow. So, what does it look like? Here it is, the completed pillows. And I did this 2 times because I have 2 cushions for my couch. Yay! We're ready to welcome Christmas. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.